In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Substack. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, purchase your GoDaddy domain like you normally would. Then from here, you'll need to go over to your Substack account. Once from here, you'll need to go over to the dashboard over here in the left-hand corner until you go inside of your admin dashboard of the specific website that you want to put your domain into. Once from here, you'll need to go down and scroll over to the left-hand side and go down to domain. And once from here, you'll need to scroll down until you see advantage, and under here, you'll be able to see domain. Once from here, it will scroll down like so, and from here, you can either add a custom domain or you can use your domain on Blue Sky if you want to do that. But from here, you'll need to add a custom domain and click add like so, and then click I agree. Once from here, you'll need to enter in your card number and click submit. And then from here, you'll be able to paste in your specific GoDaddy domain and then click continue. And then from there on out, you'll be able to use your GoDaddy domain on your Substack website. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!